Form of cancer that doesn't get a lot of attention, even though it is one of the deadliest. 500 British Columbians will be diagnosed with oral cancer this year.
Even more troubling, doctors are seeing an increase in young people developing this disease. But as Norma Reed reports, there's a new Made in BC tool that could save your life.
Well, these are all pictures of my life before treatment.
Marcy Eaton was just 30 years old in these photos. She wasn't a smoker, wasn't a drinker. In fact, the opposite.
Here I am trying to learn how to water ski.
But that changed when she found a bump on her tongue.
It was pretty much the same color as the tongue, with a little bit of redness around the outside edge.
It was cancer.
And the second he said that, all of a sudden it was like he was way down at the other end of a tunnel.
Within weeks, surgeons removed half of her tongue.
Should we change the thickness of this?
At the BC Cancer Agency, researchers are trying to figure out why an increasing number of younger people are developing oral cancer.
There seems to be some indications that HPV plays a role.
HPV, or human papillomavirus, is one of the most common sexually transmitted infections. Some forms of it can cause cancer. Sufferers Michael Douglas and Roger Ebert have helped spread the word of early detection. 4 in 10 patients will die within 5 years of being diagnosed. That's why Dr. McCauley invented the Velscope.
If you've ever been in a nightclub and your white shirt glows, it's the same concept.
So today we're going to be doing an oral cancer screening for you.
Our cameras followed patient Stephanie Strip. Blue light makes lesions in her mouth easier to find.
Let me know if any areas are tender while I'm feeling around.
In fact, they found something. Photos show a small mark on the back of her tongue.
I'd recommend coming back when you're not sick, maybe a few weeks, and then we'll do a follow-up exam for you just to make sure that there's nothing else suspicious there.
Awesome.
Okay?
Today, Marcy Eaton is 17 years cancer-free.
The last day of radiation treatment was a very special day.
She considers herself lucky. A disease that could have killed her, caught just in time. Norma Reed, CTV News, Vancouver.
All right, that's an eye-opener, Norma. So
Yeah.
what should you ask your dentist?
Well, it's so simple, Tamara. Next time you visit your dentist, just ask them to do an oral cancer screening for you. Some dentists have the Velscope, which is great. Others do the manual check on your neck, kind of like this, which is also important. It is quick, it is painless. I did it, and it only takes a few minutes.
Okay, I'll add that to my list. And there's also an oral cancer fundraiser happening next week.
Yes, an Evening to Conquer Oral Cancer is happening next Thursday. It's the biggest fundraising event for this disease in BC. I'll be emceeing the event again this year, and for more information, you can just go to our website. I hope to see some of you there. Tamara?
Hope so, too. Thanks a lot, Norma.